Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can scan items on your iPhone or iPad. Before I begin, give this video a like, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And remember, once I reach 2,000 subscribers, I'll be doing a giveaway of 2 Amazon gift cards. For you to enter that contest, all you need to do is be subscribed and comment down below and let me know you want to enter the contest. So with that being said, let's jump into today's video. How to scan pictures or documents on your iPhone or iPad. This doesn't require an app. Well, I guess it really does. It requires the Note app, but you should have that anyway because it is a stock application on your iOS device. But you don't have to download any extra application or anything like that. So as long as you have the Note app, which you should, you will be good to go. Now, grab your iPhone or iPad and go to the Note app. Once you're here, you're going to see at the bottom, there's going to be a camera icon right here. Click on that, and I want you to click on Scan Documents right here. Now that we have our scanner, I want you to find whatever document you want or picture you want. For me, I have this water bottle, so I'm just going to kind of put it on the logo here. And as you can see, it actually grabbed it right away. Now you may find that it didn't grab it or half of it's cut off. That's fine. You could take a picture of it and you'll see that a couple dots at all 4 corners that you can kind of grab it and make it bigger. So let me see if I can show you what I'm talking about. So if I hit done, let's try it again. Alright, that's not what I wanted. But if I click on it, as you can see, now I can kind of manipulate these corners a little bit to just grab the logo, and I can just hit keep scan. So that is how you kind of grab the image, just in case it didn't grab it automatically. So now that you have your image or document, I mean, this can work on documents you may have on pieces of paper. It could be used for logos, pictures, whatever you want to do. So grab your image. Now that you have it, you can hit done. I'm going to just hit save. So I'm going to hit save 3 pictures. Alright. So now that you have it, you can click on it. And the little square at the top right hand corner, which is right here, is where you can email it to people, text it to people, whatever works. So I'll just click on that. And I can do a couple things here. I can do airdrop, I can message it to somebody, I can mail it to somebody, Facebook message, Snapchat, at Gmail, whatever the case may be. Now I can send this scanned document to whoever I want. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Doesn't require any application to download from the App Store. Simple as can be. So I want to give a shout out to Michelle, one of my friends, Michelle, who gave me this idea. She wanted me to do a video on it. She thought it was pretty cool. So yeah, so this is on how to scan items, pictures, documents, and send them from your iPhone or iPad. And I do apologize, I haven't been uploading within the last week. I took a bit of time off just to kind of recharge my battery. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, comment down below if you have any questions, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and remember to enter that Amazon contest. Be subscribed and comment down below to let me know you want to enter. And that's pretty much it, and I will see you guys on the next video. Later.